Hello everyone. In today's video, get ready for a journey of self-discovery and curiosities about the mysteries our hands reveal. Our body serves as a visible expression of the soul. We all have a soul, and that soul manifests in our body. For example, God created some people with brown eyes and others with blue eyes as a way to express the uniqueness of each soul. Each soul is unique, with a specific mission, and it expresses itself in the body in a particular way. It's fascinating when we can interpret these signs. Another example is the fingers. Why do some people have long, thin fingers while others have short, thick fingers? These aspects also reflect personality. People with long fingers are generally more spiritual and calm. On the other hand, those with short fingers tend to be more impatient and active, often multitasking and sometimes being a bit more aggressive due to a lack of patience. These signs help us better understand individual characteristics. In palm reading, influences can come from the head, the heart, or the liver, according to Kabbalah. The lifeline, for example, is crucial as it indicates longevity and health. A strong and clear line suggests good health and a long life, while a thin or broken line may signal fragility or health issues, serving as a warning for care. Besides the lifeline, there are other important lines, such as the wisdom line, which represents the type of intelligence we possess. There are various types of intelligence in sciences, humanities, arts, music, languages, among others. And this diversity is reflected in the lines of the palm, helping us better understand our abilities. The Book of Splendor mentions that a strong and clear line is an excellent sign of success in life, both spiritually and economically. The book also highlights that the greater the distance between the table line and the wisdom line, the more abundant a person's sustenance will be. If the lines are very close, the sustenance will be more limited, and the person may be more irritable and make hasty decisions. Another important line is the fate line, which starts at the middle finger and descends. It indicates divine help in life or luck, showing that some people naturally find ease while others need to work harder. The 5 main lines on the hand are significant. Some people also have the wealth line, which is below the lifeline, and this is a great sign. Another interesting sign is a clear triangle at the bottom of the palm, which is an excellent sign of prosperity. Few people know that there are 2 special signs that are rarely studied: the signs on the pinky finger and the middle finger. On the pinky, we observe the phalange from the palm to the first division. Vertical lines are excellent as they indicate kindness and good things, while horizontal lines represent justice and difficulties. The same test can be done on the middle finger. These analyses show whether we are governed by kindness or justice. The pinky represents our potential, while the middle finger reflects practical reality. Learning about these signs allows us to better navigate our lives. More important than predictions is self-knowledge. We must understand our potential and prepare for challenges, using what we have to our advantage. Other signs, such as those on the head and eyes, are also important. Remember that we have free will and nothing is predetermined. The signs indicate characteristics like intelligence and longevity, which we do not choose, but it is up to us to use them in the best possible way. Free will allows us to overcome many natural limits. A person connected with God achieves everything they desire.